on Zoom. So that is why I have conducted your class on Zoom, because you people requested that we are facing problem in Google Meet and we cannot. So that is why. Okay. So कोई बात नहीं
Yes,
है.
ma'am.
I'm just sharing the PPT with you. This is your desktop publishing and multimedia class, and as you all know that this is my first class, so I request all of you to be, please be specific, and like just be in advance, you inform me what do you want, because it takes time to switch from one system to another system. And so that is why I'm telling you that whatever it is, pehle se ek din pehle please inform me what do you want, so that I can arrange things for you, right? And I'm just sharing the screen with you, just a minute. This is about, first of all, see the syllabus of desktop publishing multimedia. Can you see it? Can you see it, beta? Murari, can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha. ठीक है. So I am just showing you your syllabus, and let us discuss what is that we are going to study in this particular subject. Hmm. Desktop publishing and multimedia. Okay. Now see, this particular course is of 3 credit course, and in the course you will be learning about the concepts of multimedia, and also will be discuss various benefits and applications of multimedia, and further you will be introduced with the text, images, animation, audio and video. Okay. Now as you know that we have already discussed that how this particular multimedia subject will be doing, and for that you have seen one software also which is freely available named Artunix. I think all of you have downloaded, and you have seen also it is very easy to create any animation in this particular software. Another thing that we will be learning is that how can you capture uh, images, and how can you incorporate into a multimedia presentation. As you know that in today's time everybody is working on multimedia and making the presentations and etc. And without multimedia, learning multimedia, it is not possible that you people can design good graphics and incorporate sound and everything into it. So uh, just a minute. People keep joining. This actually troubles me a lot, because just a minute. Okay, so can you see it? Further, we'll be learning about the uh, just a minute, huh? See, these are the units. So we'll be beginning with the first unit, which is Introduction to Multimedia. And we'll be learning about that how the multimedia systems been classified, what are the properties, what are the medium, perception, presentation, what are the hardware, what are the other application areas, and what are the project stages. If we are working on a project, what all project stages are there in multimedia project, and what all design issues that you will be facing in terms of speed, simplicity, clarity, consistency, ease of use and navigation. So this is all about first unit, which I am discussing with you, and second unit is all about text. Third unit is all about file formats, different file formats that exist, and fourth unit is about animation, transition, etc. Fifth unit is about the compression, which is a very, very important unit, since we'll be learning about, asymmetric and symmetric, what you call animation and compression. And this is all about. So I wish to begin the PPT presentation for you for the first this thing. Can you see the screen? Can you see the PPT?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is written? Can you read for me?
Ma'am, desktop publishing and multimedia course title.
No, 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 no. On PPT, what is written? Can you see my
Ma'am, the
PPT?
PPT is not visible.
Ha,
Ma'am,
that
PPT
is,
is not visible.
that is what I'm saying. The PPT is not visible. No, just a minute. Just a minute. I'm sharing. Just a minute. I'm sharing another one. Mhm. Okay, here it is. And now please tell me, can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it visible? Desktop publishing is written over here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, now please, whenever I ask, please respond to me so that I know that you people are attending the meeting, so that it looks that, you know, all of you are there. Okay. And
Okay,
still,
ma'am.
okay. So let's begin and just understand what actually we mean by DTP. DTP is the creation of electronic forms of information such as documentation, presentation, brochures, books, or website content using computer program. So first of all, we need to understand what do we mean by DTP term. Okay. So desktop publishing is all about this, and multimedia, you know, multimedia is about sound, is about movie, video, right? So DTP has evolved to be an important component of creating and disseminating information, as it allows amalgamation of various tasks that are generally performed independently at printing press, such as layout, typesetting, graphic design, etc. So that means after learning this particular course, you do not require any press or any printing press or any help you require. You will be able to design your own graphics, you will be able to design your own multimedia once you learn how to work on DTP softwares. Now coming to the evolution of the software, I hope you can see. And so whenever we begin study of something, we definitely would like to know that, you know, how this particular software or the technology has evolved. So DTP was specifically meant to cater to printed matter, but in modern DTP, because earlier when we used to talk about DTP, it was about printing newspaper, printing, posters, big posters or something like that. But if we talk about modern DTP, so there are different forms of electronic contents, and for that in modern DTP software, if we talk about, then you all know, you, I think you have done also, you know, word processor, you have graphic design tools, and there are publishing tools also. So when we put all of them together, then we can say that these are all DTP softwares which actually helped into designing multimedia software, or you can say the presentation. Okay, so it is a single package in which we can call them DTP. Now with the growth of smartphone, as you know that all of you can still make a presentation using your mobile, since all of you are carrying a smart mobile, and with the help of smart mobile, smartphones, you have open office, you know, and with the open office you have the word processor there, and you have all other softwares also, plus you have other applications also which you can download from the internet, and then you can use it further for the designing purpose, isn't it? Okay. Now I wish Sankalp. Sankalp, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Sankalp, can you read this for me? What are the types of DTP content? Can you please read it for
Uh,
me? Yes.
uh, Types of ma'am, electronic pages and virtual pages.
Okay. Types of, it is about DTP content, which is electronic pages and virtual pages. Now, what is electronic pages? When we categorize the content, there can be two types of content. One content which is virtual content. Okay. So when we talk about virtual content, so the virtual content will be, virtual is what? Virtual content means that, electronically you created some pages. Means you are working on computer and you have done something. You have created some website, you have created manuals, you have created some presentation. Okay. Now, once you have created the presentation, afterwards, you can see that how the final output would look like. Okay, so that will be your virtual page, and as it is said, what you see is what you get. Okay, what you see is what you get is like, you in print preview also, when you go and see that, how my document would look like when I'll be printing the document. Okay, so basically when you print the document, virtual uh, soft, software or virtual document gives you an idea that, okay, this will be the final output, so that you are not making any wastage of paper, and you are not taking unnecessarily extra pages for proofreading, etc. And what you are doing, you are actually checking it online on virtual plane, and then you are finally taking out the printout, or if you need it in the hard copy. So otherwise, what we are saying is that with the help of DTP software and with the help of multimedia software, we basically are able to utilize the resources, and we are not wasting the resources, since we are, everything we are doing electronically, and we are not wasting paper, or we are not wasting resources as such. Now if we talk about some of the popular DTP software, then the software are, some of them are for the professional use, as you know, some of are for the home use, some of them are for the educational purpose also, some of them are free also. So there are many desktop publishing designs which are available in on website or internet. It is very much available. Now I have taken an example of InDesign. Now, InDesign is such which has taken over the DTP market, and we'll actually look into that what all other softwares which are there. So another one is the Adobe PageMaker, and as I can see that Adobe PageMaker is a software which is quite a use by the professionals. And earlier 90s, since 90s, actually even I am looking, if I look back and if I see that from where it started, so early 90s we were using PageMaker, and till now, all the professionals are using PageMaker for drafting, for documentation, and for designing their uh, pages. Now it has almost all DTP application except book publishing, and it can import files in the formats like PDF, HTML. Then you can convert, you can use Quark Express, and you can go for the Microsoft Publisher formats also. And there are some plugins also which are available for Windows and for Mac both. Now coming to Quark Express. Now Express was the de facto publishing standard before the advent of InDesign. So Quark Express, you can call that, it is before InDesign was came into the market. Quark Express was there, and it is still under development, and Mac and Windows both are they actually using, and it supports Illustrator, PDF, EPS, even InDesign files into native Quark Express objects and run on a perpetual license instead of subscription model. So as you can understand, this is somewhat expensive, or you can say this is somewhat paid software. So in DTP, there are many paid software. I think you have seen, some of you were talking about that day about Maya. Somebody was telling me that I want to work on Maya. So again, in Maya also, like if you go for the free versions, so you see that very few features are available. And yes, you can design. It's not that you cannot design. You can design, if your projects in Maya. But again, there are features which are actually inactive, and will be available only when you get the paid version of that. And but again, in what I call that, in this is the time of free and open source softwares. So please, there are many open source software, and using such software, you can easily design your
Name Blender.
pages. There are many, my dear. I'll be giving you the list. I'm not discussing right now the softwares. I'm just giving you some major softwares which are there in the market, and they were in the market and still here in the market, Then you can say that uh, Microsoft Office 365 suite. I think everybody knows about this. Okay. Now, this is again a standalone application, and Microsoft Publisher is the part of this. And as you know that using Microsoft Publisher, you can make flyers, you can make brochures, and you can make the cover pages, cover art, all these things you can do. And these are all similar to Word and Excel. Now, my request to all the students is that please, when you come into the class, please do not come and go. It actually disturbs the class. Once you are there, unless there is some technical fault. Yash Priyadarshi, please.
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Hello.
Please do not come and go. You are disturbing
Hello.
the class. Hello? Yash Priyadarshi, you are disturbing the class, my dear. Please switch off your mic.
मैम आवाज आ रहा आपको?
माय डियर, मुझे आपकी आवाज आ रही है, आप इसको माइक को बंद कर लें। आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है? हेलो, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है? आई डोंट नो, बट संकल्प, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो मेरा ये कहना है कि बीच में आना जाना ना करें. दिस लुक्स सो बैड.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I was talking about publisher. So let's again. This fellow again is.
हेलो.
यश प्रियदर्शी, माइक बंद कर लें
Yes,
अपना.
ma'am.
माइक बंद करें अपना. Okay. Now another one which we are discussing is the Sheriff Page Plus. Now again, it is a legacy software. See, today whatever I am discussing, they are the old softwares that we are using in DTP, and they are still in use. They are not old as such. They are still in professional market, and they've been used also very well. So the next is Sheriff Page Plus, and again, this is quite in the market, and you can say that you have the you can use the Photo Lab as well. This has been integrated at various places. This is with the Kindle also. So you please go through and please learn about all these things. Okay. Now coming to the next one, which is very important, is called the Adobe. I think Adobe is, again, it was in market, and Adobe softwares like Adobe InDesign, as we were discussing, it is the leading DTP software for designing and layout of professional documents for the web, for print, and as well as for the mobile devices such as tablets and smartphones. It has evolved from being a successor of PageMaker. We have discussed that. PageMaker version 1.0, and it is becoming a powerhouse software. So my request to all of you is that whatever softwares just now we have studied in the class, I request all of you to see the features of all these softwares. Just read about all these softwares, download. One more important thing I wanted to tell you, that I'm sharing one of my screens with you right now after this, and I'll give you an idea. This is, this there is uh, a web page called pdfdrive.com, from where you can actually get many books freely. So again, for DTP also there are many you know books available which you can download. So I was talking about InDesign. So InDesign is, it uses the file with the extension .indd format. I think this will be a new format for all of you. You might not have studied this kind of a file format before. So please check out this file format as well. And another file format which you will find will be IDML, which is again is the version in the latest versions available, and it has the backward compatibility also. So INDD file format and IDML file formats, there are two new formats for you, and one more important when you are exporting the files, INX format. So please check out these three file formats, and you can also purchase, as I told you, that Adobe softwares and the creative suites are not free, but then again, if you want, you have to take the subscription version of this. But these softwares, since are legacy software, so these are not all of them are free. They actually give you the trial version. So at least using the trial versions, you can actually work on such you know uh, softwares. So I request all of you to please read this, and the quiz also I'll be giving you. Now I'm sharing another page with you where actually I'll show you how to download the uh, books which you want for a particular subject. It's not about my subject only, it's about any subject which you want to study. And plus it's about the storybooks as well, it's about the biographies as well, it's about the popular books as well. I'm just opening and I'm sharing it with you. Just a minute. Just a minute, my dear. Just a minute. Okay. Now I've got it. I'm sharing my screen with you. Just a minute. Just hold on. Uh, Screen share. I'm sharing it with you. Okay. Just a minute. Here it is. Okay. Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen, all of you?
Ma'am, it's
No,
loading right now. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
yeah,
Now we
yes,
can
ma'am.
see.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, I'm writing DTP. Just a minute. Desktop publishing. See, automatically it's giving me. Now see, when you write desktop publishing, See, it's giving you suggestions. Can you see? Book publishing with InDesign. Okay. Then DTP course book. Can you see this? Complete textbook of desktop publishing for everyone. Okay. I have to click here, like, this is a complete book. I'm clicking here and I am saying download. Okay. And this file will be downloaded. And this is a complete course of DTP. Okay. Now, right now I'll be sharing this book with you on your WhatsApp group, right? But similarly, you all can go to PDF drive and you all can download the book so that, if you want to know some particular, command, or you are stuck somewhere, you actually get help then and there. And otherwise also, if you have to read any tips and tricks, so you can practice when you are not with me, and you're sitting at home and trying something new, some new softwares, or looking at some new software, then you can do this. Now let's see, we type multimedia. Okay. Okay. सामिना, आपको दिखाई दे रहा है? सामिना, सामिना, are you there?
Yes,
हाँ
ma'am.
हाँ बेटा, आप बेटा बहुत दूर रहते हैं, इसलिए आपके लिए ये बहुत अच्छा है. प्लीज यू कैन डाउनलोड दीज बुक्स. नाउ सी मल्टीमीडिया सिस्टम्स. Okay. Now see, if I go for, now you have to decide which one do you want. So this is the new Python multimedia. How will you develop multimedia applications? So I think this is a nice book, Python multimedia, that you learn that with the help of programming language, how can you design multimedia. So you can download this book. Then you can download many books, simple multimedia system, if you want to learn. Then this book is available. I'm downloading it for you and I'll be sharing it with you all. So I think now you've understood that what we are going to learn in this particular subject. We will be learning desktop publishing softwares, as well as we'll be learning multimedia softwares, and we'll see that how the multimedia videos and projects being created. Another thing which I expect from all of you is that uh, all of you will be giving me the title of your projects. Okay. I need title of your projects as soon as you finalize that, okay, this is the software which I'll be using and I'll be starting the project. So you give me that which software you like the most and you like to work on the software as such, and you tell me and you give me a list of the project, that okay ma'am, this is what I want to do, so that in the lab you can develop and you can work on that, and you can submit a topic also, that oh ma'am, this is the topic I'm working on and this is my application, multimedia application which I'm designing. If you want to go for the programming version, if you want to do programming, and through programming if you want to do it, then you can do it with the help of programming also. I'm sharing the PDF version, how it looks like. Just a minute. I have opened the file and I'm sharing. Just hold on. Just a minute. Here it is. Can you see the front page of the book? Multimedia
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
algorithm standard and industry practices. This, okay, this is from Parag Havaldar and Gerald Mijoni. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear to everybody, that it is so easy to download a book and read a book and take out notes from it, and understand that how the it's given analog, digital signals. You can refer all these things from digital to filter, how you filter, and then digital videos, how the videos been prepared, what about the color theory, and what about how the processing is been done, what about the transitions, what are the compressions and how the compressions been done practically. It's not about algorithm, how it is being done practically, then how it is being distributed, how wireless multimedia networking has been done, how, so actually everything is given. See, it's such a nice book, having how many chapters it's having, it's having how many, 17 chapters it is having. So I think you can get nice idea about multimedia and all. Okay, now I'm sharing the DTP course book PDF with you. Just a minute and see what we have downloaded. Just a minute. I'm sharing another screen with you. Just be with me. Okay, here it is. Can you see the front page?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the front
Yes,
Yes,
page?
ma'am.
ma'am.
GTP course book, complete textbook of desktop publishing for various courses. Now you can see DOS, Windows XP, Adobe PageMaker, Quark Express, Corel Draw, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop. Many things been given here. So now it should not be a problem. And Sankalp, as you have the parental business also, so it will be, better if learn and understand these things. You can actually use them also. See, the everything is been given here. See,
Yes, ma'am.
can you see? How will you change the background? How will you?
Yes,
These
ma'am.
are the basic things, but everything from the beginning, it has been explained. How, what is DOS and MS window, and how will you change it? See, what about the operating system? What about the control panel, right? Can you see? And then the course book, that what is the history, printing process, how it has been developed. You see how the printing was done earlier. All the pictures are also given, that woodblock printing is done, and then lithography, and it is a detailed history is given here, and the question and answers are also given. So I request that you please use this book, DTP course book, and so that you have an idea about this, and I'll be sharing this book with you. Okay. So how do you like the book? Is it
Yes,
nice?
ma'am.
Is it
Yes,
nice?
Ma'am,
ma'am.
it's nice.
It's nice, and it is
Yes, ma'am.
having the
Nice, ma'am.
exercise and the question and answers also for you. Okay. So just now I'll be sending your way this book, but and plus I expect that when you have this book, so when we are discussing it in the class, because it is not that you have the book, now it is done, the course is over. No, you have to learn each and everything, and then you have to discuss it with me also, that how it happens practically, how it happens. It's not about mugging up everything, because this is a practical subject. This is not something, to mug up. This is not theory. This is the subject which we have to learn. And I hope all of you will learn it properly. And please, if you have any problem in Google Meet, how many of you are comfortable with Zoom and how many with Google Meet? Please tell me now, because I really insist. Yeah.
Ma'am, I am
Ma'am, Google
comfortable
Meet.
with both. Ma'am, both.
Ma'am, Google Meet.
Okay, it's Google Meet. Somebody was telling me Zoom. They were saying that Zoom is, I should do it on Zoom. That is why I shifted to Zoom. Okay, Yash Priyadarshi, you please do not tell me you are comfortable, because you always join late. You are not comfortable. Because yesterday also it was there that you were saying that please conduct it here and there. So wherever I am taking the class, you are supposed to join. Okay, and please, okay, Krishna Murari.
Yes, ma'am.
So you were saying that, now you are saying that you are comfortable with Meet. Earlier it was
Yes,
that you are
ma'am.
comfortable with Zoom. So why you
No,
are
no.
changing? No, why you are changing? Never change. If you like it on Google Meet, I'll conduct it on Google Meet. No problem. Okay.
Yes,
Is it okay? Okay,
Yes,
now
ma'am.
5 minutes for question and answers I'm giving you. If you have any questions, you can ask me right now. Yes, one by one. Yes. Krishna Murari? Any questions?
No, ma'am.
Sankalp, any questions?
No, ma'am.
Nobody is having any question? Okay. I'll be putting the quiz for you and please see, I'll send the time also, what time you have to start. Okay. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you want to
Ma'am,
ask
can you send me a PDF drive link?
website link, definitely I'll
Yes,
send
ma'am.
you a website address. I'll definitely give you. And Yash Priyadarshi, I really want that, you know, a nice project has to be made by you in multimedia. And if you can use
Yes,
the
ma'am.
program, if you want to use the programming language, please download the book of Python and uh, okay,
Yes, ma'am.
fine. So you can use that also. You have to see that, you know, which one is suitable for you, and accordingly you download the book and work on that. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
fine. So thank you for joining the class. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.